This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering 3 sticky notes and a flat workspace. This gives the flower volume and color contrast. Once ready, crease each petal note in half along the short edge to build a firm base. This helps the petals hold shape. Then, cut 1 sticky note into a 1/2 circle for the center. This will mask the overlapping adhesive. Make sure to keep fold lines crisp. Crisp folds mean a flower that looks intentional and holds together without extra glue. Now you shape petals and build the bloom. Fold each note along the short edge, then pinch the outer edges inward to form a rounded petal. This curvature creates a natural look. Once done, arrange petals in a circle, overlapping each by about 15–25% so adhesive tabs catch the next petal. Rotate between colors for visual depth, and keep pressure on each overlap for 5–10 seconds so the bond sets. If alignment drifts, lift and realign before the adhesive. Finish by placing the half-circle center over the overlapping tips. Press around the perimeter so seams disappear and the structure gains strength. Once done, flip the flower, and if needed, add a narrow tape strip or a dot of glue at the back for permanent hold. If a petal starts to lift, make sure the adhesive is clean and slightly reactive. Briefly warming with breath or a few seconds in weak sunlight reactivates stick. Finally, hang or gift your flower and enjoy the layered texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.